Hi, people. So, I decided, since I have been a long-time subscriber of the Sephora Playbox, that why not start opening them and showing you the shit that's in them, and I guess my reactions. Uh, Also, this week I subscribed to BoxyCharm, which is supposed to be a bunch of full-size products. I'm really excited to get that because lately my Sephora play has been kind of disappointing, and I'm actually probably gonna cancel my subscription because $10 for what, like 5 or 6 tiny products compared to fucking $21 for the BoxyCharm? I don't know. We'll see. BoxyCharm, you better live up to the fucking hype. No, they didn't pay me to say that shit. I'm just really excited. Okay, so we're gonna open this and see what's going on. No beauty expert, but I am a beauty enthusiast. I do love my makeup and my beauty products and all that fun shit. So, let's see. Must see beauty. This is the theme. And this is what's in our box. Alright. So, first, sorry, my allergies are going off. Fucking fall allergies. Alright, we got Bushwick Beach by Amika. It is no salt wave spray. Cute, right? It looks cute. Does it work though? It smells like a tropical vacation. And there's no salt in it, which means it shouldn't dry out my hair. I might like this shit. Gonna have to stick to it. Alright, let's see what's next. Okay. I love exfoliators because I get really dry skin, especially in the wintertime. So we got Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. And usually I really like Fresh products because they are pretty natural and non-irritating. So I'm gonna have to try this out, see if it gets my dead skin off. Alright, let's see. Another perfume. Not a big fan of perfume. Sephora? No, you failing. You failing me right now. Oh my god, another one of these? Are you for cereal? Okay, this is Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon. They've sent me this like in 3 different boxes this past year. Ridiculous. Like, I have enough of these, and all in the same color. I mean, I like the product, it's cool, but stop sending me the same crap. This play box is not being very fun. Let's see what's here. Okay, so we have Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract. Sounds like more like something you should put on a cracker or something. Alright. Well, this product contains dimethicone, which means it will clog my pores. I have very sensitive skin, so can't use that. Bye. Like, bye, bitch. Alright. Is this the final product? Alright. Caution. Extreme Lash Mascara by Hourglass. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. I like the packaging. Come out. There we go. Caution. Huh. I don't know why I'm throwing this on. I already have on mascara, but we'll try. Alright. I gotta be honest. September 2019 Sephora Playbox. Not so exciting. And with fucking all this BoxyCharm hype everywhere, y'all better step your game up or I'm canceling my subscription. Just saying. Still gonna shop at Sephora, but as far as subscription boxes go, pretty disappointing. They keep sending you the same shit over and over. Bye, y'all.